Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of constantly letting your pets in and out of the house, wondering if there's a better way to give them the freedom they deserve? The PetSafe electronic pet door is here to revolutionize the way you think about pet access. This top-rated door is not only waterproof, but it's also king size, making it perfect for larger pets or households with multiple pets. As one of the most well-reviewed products on the market, many customers have purchased and fallen in love with the PetSafe electronic pet door. The electronic pet door features programmable selective entry, exit, and auto-locking options, giving you complete control over your pet's access. The waterproof electronic pet door key worn on your pet's collar provides peace of mind, as only pets wearing the key can go in and out, eliminating the risk of unwanted animals entering your home. The sound of the door opening and closing is smooth and quiet, and the feel of the door's sturdy construction gives you confidence in its durability. With the ability to program up to 5 electronic pet door keys, this door is perfect for households with multiple pets. In real-life use, the PetSafe electronic pet door has proven to be a game-changer, allowing pets to come and go as they please while keeping the elements out. Unlike other pet doors on the market, the PetSafe electronic pet door is battery-operated, making it easy to install and maintain. Whether you're looking to install it in an interior or exterior door, or even in a wall, the options are endless. With its customizable access and durable construction, the PetSafe electronic pet door is the perfect solution for any pet owner looking to give their pets the freedom they deserve, and with its many benefits, it's no wonder why it's a popular choice among pet owners. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.